Lord Mayor of the City of London, Mr. David Wootton. Pleased to meet you. Welcome to the Chamber of
Thank you very much.
Commerce. How do you see the business opportunities between Slovenia and the City of London?
Many more than have been taken advantage of so far. There aren't enough British companies here, and we're keen that Slovenian companies do more in Britain, in particular. The areas that I'm seeing as opportunities for sharing expertise and experience between British companies and indeed British public sector entities and Slovenia are in infrastructure, railways, airports, ports, the essentials for life and for future economic growth. There's also particular enthusiasm here, as there is in Britain, for small and medium-sized businesses which often feel they don't have the support and resources or the finance to do it alone, and chambers of commerce and governments and organisations like my own, the City Corporation, is very keen on encouraging small businesses in each country to do business in the other.